So, hey guys, welcome back with another video on Cyber War Labs where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hackings, and penetration testings. Okay, so guys, in this video, we're gonna learn that how an attackers actually how an black attackers or how an attackers get your accurate locations. Okay, what are the mistakes a victims do? What are the mistakes a normal users do in their daily life, and they got caught by an attacker, which we're gonna see in this video, and I'm gonna show you practically each and everything. But make sure guys, whatever I'm teaching you, this is just for an educational purpose. The reason for making this video, that whenever you're getting any kind of link, make sure before open this link, try to check that this links are malicious or not. This will help you out to understand what you have to do before clicking any malicious links or what not. But before that, moving ahead, as you know, if you don't know about my channel name is Cyber War Labs, where I used to upload videos related to cyber securities, VAPT, penetration testing. Also I upload videos related to the CH, certified ethical hackings, and much more. So in the yesterday videos, I uploaded a video related to the PT1 certified junior penetration testing, which is offering by the try hack me. And also I've shown that what are the mistakes you don't need to do in the exams, and if you're getting any difficulties and if you need any kind of help in between the exams, or if you are stuck somewhere, you can connect with me. And what are the most difficult parts in these exams, and which is what you're gonna learn, why this certification is different from others. You will see, you will get to know everything in this video. But let's start our today's video. So in this video guys, I'm gonna use two things. First of all, we're gonna use the ngrok for forwarding my local IP, or so my private IP. And second thing, we're gonna use a tool which named Seeker. Seeker is very old tool, but it's very popular to find the accurate details of someone. But how it works, we're gonna see in this video, right? So I've already installed the Seeker. If you want to install this tool, you can just go onto the GitHub and you can install. Guidelines are already there, available there, and installation process are also given there, right? So what I'm gonna do now, as I already installed this tool, so simply I will open my terminal. Okay, and let me just minimize, and yeah, here we go. And now what I'm gonna do now, as you can see, I've already installed all the necessary files and all the necessary stuff which I need to run this tool. So simply I will type the python 3 seeker.py. That's it. Apart from that, if you want to know about the help command, what are the helps are available inside this, so you can just simply type like this -h, and it will gonna give you all the files which you can read, and you can understand how this basically the Seeker works, what are the details you will get after performing the attacks. But I'm gonna start the attack, python 3 seeker.py, and here we go. Now it's basically giving an option, what are the which platform you want to use to deliver the link or deliver the malicious link to your victim. Now here what you're gonna learn, that make sure whatever the link will generate, it's not necessary that attacker cannot modify this link. They can modify this link, and that link should look like a legitimate, and they can also bypass some restriction. And once you will open this link, attacker will get your all details, like your on which like browser you open, your latitude, longitude, your browser information, everything. So let's see how it's work, right? So what I'm gonna do now, in the right side, I'll start my ngrok also. Here we go. Sorry, let me do. Yeah, here we go. Now I have started my ngrok on my local host 8080 port 8080, which means now right now I'm forwarding my local host IP on port 8080, which means now anybody can access. No, it's not required that victim should be connected with my network. Okay, which means if the victim is not connected on my network, then also he can access this link. So what I'm gonna do now, let's simply run this. And now here you can see the interface has been started, and now I'm gonna use option number 0, because I'm not gonna select other option, because you can do that, you can check, you can do everything if you want after watching this video. So I'm gonna select the 0, and here we go. It's starting the PHP server, which means whatever the shellback we will get here only. And now you can see waiting for the client to open the link. Okay, right? So here you can see this is the link which is generated, right? In front of forwarding, you can see this is the link. So now what I can do, I'll simply open this link. We'll wait for a second. Let me just let get this started. Here we go. And now if I just open this link, it will give me the warning for the ngrok, right? Now I can disable the warning also. Okay, that's not a big deal, but let me show you what will happen if you will visit this site. And here we go, it will gonna click on the continue. it will tell you to allow. Attacker can also bypass these things, and how they gonna do that, I'm gonna show you that also. But right now let me show you what will happen if you'll click on the continue and if you'll allow the permissions. And now let me come back my browser, and here you can see successfully we got the status code 200, which means the victim opened this link and he successfully enabled his location and he successfully accessed the URL, right? But now if I just come here, you can see the Linux architecture 64-bit, which means I opened this link inside my Linux machine, and you can see I opened this link inside the Firefox. Resolution of my screen, then the GPU of my machine, and the GPU vendor, who is the vendor of my this GPU, then public IP, here it is, and what is the version of my browser. Apart from that, if I'll come to the IP information, you can see Asia, which is India, Maharashtra, yes correct, Mumbai, because I purchased my this SIM from Mumbai, and the carrier ISP, internet service provider, is also correct, which is Idea. If I'll come to my latitude and longitude, this will not accurate because I'm right now using the VPN, so that's why this detail will not show the accurate. But let me show you how it's work. If I'll just simply click on the Google map, here we go, open the link, it will show me the details. Right now you can see P3G Mumbai Maharashtra. The reason why it's showing the Mumbai Maharashtra, because right now I'm not in Mumbai, but it's still locating me to the Mumbai. The reason it's SIM card purchase in the Mumbai, okay. But right now if I just disable the proxy chain, if I disable the VPN, it will show me my current address, okay. So these are the things which an attacker can do with your system if you are opening any malicious link, okay. Apart from that, it's not necessary that attacker can only send you this link via URL or Gmail. They can also embed this URL or the link inside the PDF, inside the image also, okay. It's not a very big deal. Attacker can do this thing. They can bind the URL inside the image, they can bind the URL inside the payload also, like PDF also. And whenever you will download that PDF and whenever you will download that image file, a payload will or the URL will automatically enable, and it will execute, and it will gonna give the attackers your current details like this, all this information, and you will be in a big problem. So make sure before whenever you opening any link, always check that it should come from a trust source, and it should not be looks like any malicious types, okay. So that's it for today's video, guys. In the another video we're gonna look some more advanced stuff, but as of now that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to try this, make sure do it in the VMware. Right now you can see that I have done in my VMware system, I've done all the attacks, all the like exploiting parts in the